All right, time for some Wednesday birthdays, and we're going to begin in Nevada with Alora Reed celebrating her first birthday. A very happy birthday to you, Alora.
And Chevelle Adams, look at that smile on Chevelle. In Arma, Kansas, turning 2 years old this year. Happy birthday with love from Nana and Papa.
We've got Kelsey Mivas in Moran celebrating birthday number 6 yesterday. So a very happy belated birthday to you, Kelsey.
And in Webb City, turning 9 years old this year, Adeline Williams. Birthday was actually yesterday too. Hope you had a great day and a wonderful remainder of your week.
And Adeline is also my niece, so we went to her birthday party this past weekend.
Aww.
Lots of fun. Kinsley Harris celebrating birthday number 12 in Hepler yesterday. A very happy birthday, Kinsley.
All right, and Cameron Lansdowne celebrating birthday number 12 this year in Carthage.
And we've got JC Greer over in Girard celebrating birthday number 13. Happy birthday, JC.
In Reeds, Missouri, Billy Melvin turned 20 years old this year. Happy birthday, Billy.
And Chad Irwin over in Carthage celebrating birthday number 44. Happy birthday, Chad.
All right, Becky Hicks turning 53 years old this year. Happy birthday to Becky in Iola.
And Robin Carson and Dawn Belfield both celebrating birthday number 53. Robin is from Pittsburgh and Dawn living in Cherokee. Happy birthday to both of you.
All right. In Parsons, turning 65 this year, our Nona Bogner. Happy birthday.
And we've got Bill Griffith celebrating number 70 over in Lamar. And Bill Griffith was actually the Barton County Sheriff for 19 years. Happy birthday, Bill.
All right. And Matt C. in Pittsburgh. Hope you have a wonderful birthday, Matt.
We've also got Brenda Lum celebrating number 58 in Parsons yesterday. Happy birthday, Brenda.
Roy Aiken is 53 in Iola, Kansas. Happy birthday, Roy.
We've got Scott Guyen celebrating number 34 in Afton. And Kitson Miller celebrating birthday number 14 in Carl Junction. Happy birthday to all of you today. And we want you to help this list get longer and longer every day. And Tanya has just the right magic words to tell you how to make it happen.
And all you have to do is email those birthdays to us. That's how you can get them to us the fastest. Birthdays with an S at KOAMTV.com or birthdays with an S at KOAMNewsNow.com. You may have noticed there were several birthdays today that were belated birthdays. That's because they're not getting in on time. You've got to get them before the cutoff deadline of 3 p.m.
Yep.
But preferably, get them to us a day or two in advance. We
Yeah,
wanna
the
spend
earlier
time
you can
making
get them to
look
us, the
good.
better. Yeah, absolutely. And make sure you send photos too. Photos, their birthday, and where they're from. Age is optional, but you know, nothing
It's
wrong
always
with
more
sending that in.
fun.
Absolutely it is. And you know what else you